Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have got here with me Tress box. It is a subscription box that I got from Tress. They are a company that provide 5 or 4 full-size products for women of color or women with kinky or curly hair. I'm very excited to see what is inside this box because this is my very first box. So let's get into this video. So, we have 5 products here, and the first one that I'm very curious about is the Umberto Giannini. It is like a leave-in moisturizer or leave-in conditioner. Sorry guys. This smells really good. It looks like this. I'm very curious about this product because number one, I've never seen it before in the shops, and that's what is good about subscription boxes, because you get to try products that you've never tried before or that you actually don't think or care for like that much. Then next we have the Cream of Nature Clay Mask. It is a pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. So it looks like this. This one, I'm actually curious about it as well. I've never tried this one before. I can't wait to see what Cream of Nature has for me. Palmer's Coconut Leave-In Conditioner as well. That means I have 2 conditioners with me this month. I've never tried Palmer's, any of Palmer's hair products. I've never really tried it before. So this is a plus for me in this box that I get to try it. I use a lot of Cantu products for my hair, but I've never tried their detangler ever before, so I will also be using this detangler sometimes. The Organics Air Mayonnaise. So yeah, this product, I've used it before. It's not a stranger to me. It looks like this. Yeah, it smells really good. So I have these 5 products with me this month, and I'm absolutely amazed and I'm pleased by this product. Though it was not what I was expecting, because I have seen Tress's takeover boxes from previous months, and I wish I subscribed earlier enough. It's still a plus for me. I get to try products that I've never tried before, and that is what is best with subscription boxes. So overall, I will still continue to subscribe to Tress, and I love their packaging. Damn, they put in so much work. Wow, and I get a little something here that explains each and every product and how it's going to help me. They put in so much work, and I really appreciate that. Like, hey, cheers to self-care. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to click that subscription button. Ding. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.